Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is speech as a refrigerator for fancy dress in English. Please subscribe my channel. Good morning respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am presenting a role of refrigerator. Hi, I am a refrigerator. I keep food cold. I have shelves to store fruits and veggies. I make ice to keep drinks cool. I help food stay fresh longer. I have a freezer for ice cream. I keep milk and juice cold. I have a light inside when you open me. I save leftovers for later. I am important in every kitchen. I help reduce food waste. Thank you.